Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I decided I wanted to do my intro somewhere different in my house, so I'm out on the balcony. Look at this gorgeousness. Obviously I have to face the other way because of the lighting. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing my hair today. I just washed it, so it's freshly washed hair. It looks like I have no edges right now, but that's okay. And I'm basically gonna be trying this hairstyle right here on the left. It's a Tracee Ellis hairstyle that she did for a magazine cover, so I'm going to be trying it all by myself. Wish me luck. And I'm going to be using darling hair, quite a few darling hair pieces, and I just hope it comes together nicely. So I'm so excited to try this hairstyle. I hope it works out. I mean, if it doesn't work out, you guys will see it, but yeah, it should be interesting. Wish me luck, guys. Watch the process. I'm gonna start with cutting my hair into 6 parts, and then I'm gonna braid each part, and then I'm gonna continue and twist and do everything, and you'll just see the whole process on camera. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can in the front. I'll do the back first, just so that I can get it down, and then we'll watch the process. Okay? Thanks, guys. See ya. Okay guys, so what I've done so far is I've cut the 3 parts at the back, and I've just kind of put them into, twisted them. The lines are not straight, they're really not the best, but I'm doing it on my own, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But basically this is what it looks like. If I keep looking to this side, just bear with me. My mirror is right there, and I kind of need my mirror, so yeah. Just so that I can give you guys some kind of line that makes sense in the front. I'm not really bothered about the back because I feel like the twists will hide the lines. But the front, I really want the front to be as straight as it possibly can be. So I'm just going to cut the front into 3 and do the same before I start doing all the plaits, just so that I know that I've cut everything out. Okay guys, so I've done the 6 pieces and the 6 parts. And I've done twist outs on all 6 parts. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this darling hair, this one right here, Caribbean Curl by Darling, and it looks a bit like this, but I'm not going to use it for that. What I'm planning to use it for is for the tips, because you know in that Tracee's hairstyle, she does, there's like curly, there's a curly bottom, there's like curly ends. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to use this to braid each section, just so that it gives it life. The back, I'm going to use the 18 and the 20 right here. I'm going to use 18 and 20 for the back 3, and then I'm going to use 18 and 20 for the front 3, and then I'm going to use the 16 inch right here for the tips of all of them. So I'm just going to use it to add extra to the tips, just so that the tips are a bit full, and obviously if you brush it out, it will do the work. So I'm just going to get right to it. So this is what the hair looks like. It's actually really, really soft, which is crazy. It's really soft, so well done to Darling for this. Really, really soft hair. And I'm just going to use it to braid each section, starting with the back. I don't care that the braids look neat or look nice. Actually, they don't need to look like anything. They just need to be braids. They don't actually need to look neat, clean, or anything of the sort, because they're gonna be covered. It's only the tip part that matters, and the tip part is supposed to be rough anyways, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut off the weft so that it's easier for braiding, and then I'm just going to use it to braid each section. Because it's 3, 2 of each of the lengths, I'm gonna split it in half and then use it for each side. Does that make sense? So that I have more hair. Make sense? Okay. Use the scissors and just cut off the weft. Cut off the weft part of it. I'm cutting off the weft, if you can see. So this is what it looks like without the weft. So that's it. All the weft for this one is gone. You guys, I never tried this. So all this that I'm doing right now is based solely on trial and error and what I pictured in my head, you know? And I thought, this could work. I think that hairstyle, this hairstyle right here, is so iconic. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the cut part is the part at the top so that the ends stay wispy, so you don't have like cut up ends. Right here. My hair is just trying to curl. I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna twist it round over my hair. Does that make sense? Like, I'm gonna twist it over hair tie because I don't want the hair to move. I want it to stay. And then now I'm just gonna braid it. Okay, so this is one. So I've gotten the curly tips and I've gotten the hair on there like so. And like I said, I don't care what the braid looks like because it's not about the braid, it's about the twist over the braid. So I'm even trying to think of what I can do to thicken this one out before I do the twist over it. So I think I'm gonna just add some more hair. Oh, I know what I can do. I will just put hair and then twist. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is the braid. Now what I want to do is, before I continue, I just want to try and see what the twist looks like before I do everything else, just in case it doesn't work. So this is the darling hair that I'm using, super light darling hair, color blue pink, and it looks like this. You probably can't see it much, the color properly in this light. This is assuming it works out. It works out on the sort of picture, so you can see the color properly and just see the hairstyle that I'm out here struggling to create for you guys. The struggle. It's so pretty. So pretty. So now I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. I'm not gonna pull anything. I'm just gonna cut it. What is a girl to do? What I'm gonna do is, because I want to make this thicker, I'm gonna do this like so. And then I'm going to twist it over. Because it's long hair, it's not going to be easy to do. But, yeah. I don't think Trace's is this thick, but I'm actually not mad at the fact that it's quite thick. It just means I have to add more curls to the bottom half, which is perfectly fine. Whoa, that is thick. But I'm not mad at it at all. This is by far one of the most challenging things I've ever had to do in my life. Ever. Now that I've secured this baby girl, like so, and she's out here looking crazy. So this is what she looks like. One with weft, and just wrap it around and see what happens. So this is the short 16. So I'm going to use the short 16 for the tips. So I'm thinking if I should cut it to 6 parts or if I should cut it to 4 and use another one. The weft is there, and I'm just going to do this over it. Guys, I'm just really out here just hoping for the best, because this what I'm doing right here is like a joke. Whether or not that's true is a different thing, but it looks like it is. Let's put it over the rubber band. I don't think I need to make the rest of them this big. They don't need to be this fat. They don't need to be this fat. They really don't. But is it too late? Is it too late to turn back now? looks like it's not too bad, but it looks cute. It kind of looks like it, sort of. Not really, but sort of works. I just wanted to quickly show you guys this. I'm almost done, and my gel, the cream by L'Oreal Professional, L'Oreal Collection, perfection. Just look at that. What? Like, ugh. It's so good, and you literally just need like a dot, and it just does absolute wonders. Absolute wonders. I love it. It's already late, and I'm tired. So, but my edges are laid though. My hair is looking cute. I'm almost at the end, so you guys, this is taking much longer than I expected it was gonna take. So to attach that, I'm just gonna do it like so and go over all the way around. This is just waiting to be tied to secure it because I ran out of black bands. So craziness, guys. Craziness. It looks so cute, you guys. I love it. I'm so proud. I mean, come on. When I take pictures for the gram, it's gonna be so fire. Just so you can like understand what I mean by this. Gel is actual fire. Look at that. You don't understand. It's so good, and it lasts. Like, your hair will stay gel down. For some more natural hair, finding gel that works is like a miracle. I mean, look at that. Edges on fleeky fleek. What? Yes. Let me do the third one, even though right now you can't tell the third one hasn't been done, but I'm gonna do the third one. Of course it's gonna curl because my hair does these things, you know. Last one. Ooh, 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 ooh. So excited, you guys. This took way too long. Like, I genuinely did not think it was gonna take this long. We are at the end of the road. Because it's at the top of my head. Maybe I should just leave it like this and go out. And call it fashion. And I'll pose like this. And people will think that I was serious. Looking kind of messy. So I think I'm going to go back up. But it looks cute though. Yeah, but I'm going to go back up. All the way, there we go. Up here. And we start the twisting. And comb out the hair a little bit. Pull together. So don't feel like obliged to continue. If you feel like you've fucked up, just go back. It will still do what it's supposed to. Ooh, hands need to rest. So I like mine. I did this one a bit shorter because I wanted to style it like a fringe. So that's why I did it this short. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself, you guys. Like, I'm super proud of myself. I'm so shook that I was able to do this with no help whatsoever. Like, just wow. So apart from the fact that mine is purple or pink blue, it is thicker than hers. Hers are quite slim, but I wanted mine to be a bit thicker just because I'm thicker. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you can give it two thumbs up. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. Hit the subscribe button, please. And please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and just let me know what you think of this video. If you want more hair videos like this, if you have any hairstyle you want me to try, or if you've already tried this hairstyle, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Catch you in my next video. Ciao. Catch you in my next video. Ciao.